I know how to join. I know how to make a comeback. Like yeah, a compliment too, bro. Come on now. I know you ain't trying to join.
I know you're not.
I know you not trying to join.
I know you're not.
No, I know you don't.
No,
Christian and
I
Kai.
know you're not.
No, Christian, don't do it to yourself.
Oh my
I
God.
in your life.
Irvin broke it.
When you don't want no more.
I don't even know how much. There. I'll give some to Irvin too. Oh my God.
I'm good though.
Shit. It looks like a shit stain.
That's delicious.
So we're putting body filler on the after we DA or after we sand the fiberglass, we put body filler on it and then we DA it. So yeah. Man, hurry to spray it.
Well, I hope it makes it well.
Looks good.
Yo, that's good.
Yeah, looks good.
Hold up. A little bit more, man.
Irvin is in trouble. Upside down. Wash your hands. Soap and water. Yeah, that sounded good.
The little amount though.
Oh, that's body filler. Yeah, but I take the whole thing off. They just
You need new one?
It's clean.
Look at that. Look at that. He about to go fit some damn patties. Am I cleaning this, bro?
Don't do it with it.
Nigga, I took it from him.
Don't do it with it.
Alright, I'll take the tape off, but that's all I'm gonna do.
Yeah, alright, bet. That's all I need to do while I clean my hand.
Alright.
He didn't know who it was, right?
Yeah,
No, he didn't know who it was.
Yeah.
He blushed it, right?
Nah, he didn't know who it was. Alright, sorry, Christian, but I can't let his conscience.
Come on, Willie.
Yeah, Willie. It's all good though, he fixed it.
He doesn't know who it was.
Yeah.
The next day.
Making sure you look good.
God.
Is that fiberglass? Is that fiberglass?
No, that's not fiberglass, that's dust from that.
Are you sure? Cause that nigga was like fiberglass and that shit. He didn't use a vacuum.
I mean, I could vacuum it for you.
Yeah.
Like my new invention,
Oh, God.
all you gotta do is press the side button and then it'll record. Oh my God! When you don't want, when you don't want to be on the camera, you don't want to be on YouTube. That's what you do.
It's a lot of water.
Piece of rock. Nigga, piss.
Yeah. Relax her out. Trying to open it? Oh, you did.
I can see
Yeah, you better be doing work. Boy, you better put on a jacket. It's cold outside.
Put more in the middle.
Do I got dirt on my back? Yeah. I do? Is it off?
No.
Oh, you got dirt on my back, son?
Yeah, you got a lot on your back.
A lot?
Yep,
How much?
a lot.
trap. Go ahead, sir.
You got this, Christian. Pull up. Hey, Christian, can you say the outro? Like, thanks for watching or something, like anything.
I don't know.
Yeah, how about you, Will? No, how about you, Irvin?
I guess it's with you.
Okay, I'll do me a favor and exit out the video. Say thanks for watching or something.
Duh. Check off the
Duh.
You do that leg joint. Alright, bye guys.
11 o'clock, who's ringing my phone? I'm just cool, laid back like Nina Simone. I don't recognize the number though, so I let the number go, then I text the number, yo. Who's this? What's happening? Who's hollering? While I'm stretched back, maxing in. Text reads, yo, something's going on. Then I think you should reach, cause something's going on.